Today I'm forcing another project on my friends. Yes, I'm the problem. But this is gonna be really cute and really fun. So you guys are all familiar with Kate on this channel. She makes appearances all the time, especially over voice because we talk all the time. That's how it goes. But she picked out this fabric, this raspberry holly, I want to say back in like March, maybe even February. And it was just like, oh, it's really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to make for her out of it, but I'm going to make something. And then we found this mesh. It's a mesh theme, you guys. It's the fad of the year is the mesh. But we found this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous alcohol, water, ink, mesh, tie-dye situation. And I'm gonna make her and her daughter matching outfits. I will put the patterns I'll be using right here. Love Patterns for Pirates. They always have really nice bundles for me and mini me outfits. We're gonna be putting in a back mesh panel that has some good draft. We're gonna be doing thumbhole cuffs and pants.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get back.
The first thing they have us starting with is the color block back option. I am starting with Maya's tiny top because it's just so cute. I can't imagine it's going to take me very long to put together, and then I sort of get an idea of how things go together. So I'm going to put the color block shirt together, and we're just going to sew the color block to the bottom.
Yeah, I wanna be a real one side. Heaven lifts me up from under.
I have the backs done. Isn't that cute? Oh, I think it's so adorable. And now it's time to It's time to sew the shoulder seams together for both of them. So I've got both front pieces, and then I'm going to iron them after. So iron the back piece and the shoulder seams, trying to do as much as possible at one time.
Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be
That's my coffee.
afraid of the fate that finds me. Wishing I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
Okay, so I'm sure you've seen over the last few videos a bigger her presence. I don't know if you know this. If you know this, you know this. But if you don't know this, cats sort of pick their person. And since she was an itty bitty bottle fed abandoned little baby, she has loved my son. Yeah, are we talking about your boy? I know. And when he's home, the rest of us are peasants that she cannot be bothered with. But sometimes he goes away to visit other family. Yeah, I know. Sometimes he goes away to visit other family. And when he does that, she becomes, I don't even know how to describe it, like inconsolably upset that he's not here, and she will bother anybody she can to complain about that too. We even get dinged with purrs, which never happens. She doesn't ever purr for us unless he's not here. Yeah, your boy gone. He'll be home tomorrow. And then we'll never see you again. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Look at how cute this turned out. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Okay, the next thing we're doing is we're going to be putting on sleeves. So I have to find the sleeves. I'll do Maya's first. I got sleeves all sewn on, and now it is sewing up the side seams. So this is really coming together because after that it'll just be a hem, 2 cuffs, and a collar. I am going to do thumb holes on Kate, so I have to look up that video again. It will definitely be in the description. It's really easy, I just can't quite remember how to do it. But first, side seams. No, first I should iron everything. I should iron everything first. I haven't done that yet. Iron everything. The tops are all sewn together. Next, it is the neckbands, and what I did cut out some of the raspberry to go underneath the mesh, but it actually looks like doubled up, it's gonna be just fine. I don't think we're gonna see a seam really at all. So I'm going to just attach the neckband like this and hope it's okay. First we're gonna sew it together, and then we're gonna pin it on the 4 quadrants of the neckline, and then we're gonna sew it in. If you wanna be a wonder, look at how cute it looks. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. Okay, now time to do Kate's, and then we'll be moving on to the cuffs, and then we're almost done the shirt already. It looks like they left the cuffs for last, so we're gonna hem both tops on the bottom. We're just gonna use a fold over head. We're just gonna use a fold over hem. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a nice thick hem, not a rolled hem, but a nice hem. Okay, hem's all done. Look how cute they're looking. Now it's the cuff. So for Maya's cuff, I'm not going to do thumbholes. She's 3. So I'm just gonna sew them regularly, and then I will do the thumb holes for Kate, and then I'll be done the tops. That's awesome. Okay, moving along. They have us, I think, this way. Definitely. So widthwise, the long, fold it in half. Sew it here, and then just fold it over and attach it. Awesome. Sometimes it's hard to figure out the cuffs because, like, I did cuffs for Lyle's sweater that I posted. It turned out really good, and it's got like Legolas vibes, Huntress vibes. If you like big hoods and cosplay and fair, like that kind of stuff, fantasy stuff, go check out that video. I will leave it in the description below. It turned out really cool. But doing that, I had a lot of doing cuffs over and over because I was modifying it as a female, as a lady's pattern to a male pattern, so I had to do that, and they can be a bit confusing on how they, like the width. You don't need them as big as you think you need them, in my experience. You just take them and fold them in half with the seam on the inside. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. I've got it all sewed together. It looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, now to do the thumb hole cuffs. And like I said, I will leave that video in the description in case you want to go check it out. It is way easier than you think it's gonna be. I have the tops all done. Look at how cute they look. The little pockets, they've got thumb holes. I had to recut the thumb holes because I had made them too small, just because the cuffs were longer in the video than these cuffs were. So I had to just make the outsides shorter instead of the 1.5 inch. I think I went 3/4 of an inch in, and then that worked out just absolutely perfectly. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness, they're gonna be so adorable. I love this color, it's so nice. And then yeah, it's all hemmed on the bottom and it looks so cute. Okay, next is the pants. So we're gonna start sewing together pants. I've got the instructions here, so we're just gonna wrap it up. Let's go. To fix heartbreak, we grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh. I didn't realize you should do the waistband like you do the cuff, where you sew it together like this and then fold it over so that the seam is all on the inside. That makes so much more sense. I should have done it that way, but now I've learned through trial and error and failing, and new skill unlocked, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna sew the waistband for Maya's pants, and then I'm gonna sew the waistband on Maya's pants, and then I think I'm gonna have to cut a new waistband for Kate's pants because I cannot find it. Waistband, I'm actually going to line it just because it's a little bigger for comfort wise, because the mesh is see-through and I don't want it to be see-through just in case. So I'm gonna sew these two ends together like this, and then put the waistband on the same way I did mine. Look how cute it turned out. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. They're so cute. And yeah, then we will be done. I'm not gonna hem them because Kate has very short legs. So then, and this fabric won't fray, so she can just cut it right off the end. Do you like how I threw you under the bus there?
Yes. You're not wrong though.
So I can be a real
This was very hard to figure out how to put together. So what I did was I just sewed it together on one end, and then I'm just slowly going around and pinning them together. And then I will find the quarters with clip pins instead. It's a little curly. The waistband did not work the way I wanted it to. I'm not 100% happy with it because it like bunches in here. I tried the double layer of waistband and it just did not turn out. For some reason it twisted and it's not working properly. So I am gonna have to put in the waistband, just the mesh, and hope that it sits high enough up that it's okay. So I am going to seam rip that out and then just sew on the mesh waistband, and we'll see how it goes. And if it works out well, then I will officially be done. And it is done. Look how cute the waistband is. It's not as stretchy as I hope. Like, it's not as fitted as I hoped it would be, but it'll also mean that it's really, really like not tight and like constricting, which will be really nice because I know I hate pants that are like, so nobody wants that. So yeah, look how cute it is. I love the waistband, and that's them all done. So now all I have to do is send them and see what they think. We have Kitty for outro today. That's always fun, blessing the project with her crankiness. Oh. Hey, she was sitting in my chair. If you're sitting in my chair, you are fair game for outro. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is how they turned out. They look so cute and cozy. I'm so excited. I love when I make things for people and they feel good in them. That's so important to me. That's the whole reason I love sewing is for making things for people that they love. And me that I love and that I can pull out of my brain, because whew, you have no idea the projects I have planned up in here for the next year. I'm so excited. So if you want to be notified for any of those projects coming up, hit the subscribe button and the bell and all the stuff that's down there. I don't know how to do this. I'm not really a YouTuber, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you next one.